So Kanchan, what is a bitter memory?
Bitter memory. I recently, there are some memories in my life, but some are bitter memories as well. So if I talk about my bitter memories, so I recently gave an exam named Railway NTPC, and I was after seeing the answer sheet of the same exam, I thought that I will clear it, I must clear it, but somehow I was deselected here. There, so I lost my hope. So I was too depressed after that.
This is Deepa. I am 15 years old. I am studying of class 9th. I live in Ghaziabad. My hobbies are singing and reading. I want to become a doctor because my father's dream. I am study for Sheikh.
Good. And what is a pleasant memory?
One day has a learning work in his school classes. So next morning our learning with me and to explain teachers. So blessing to me.
Introduction, please. Thank you so much.
Myself is Setwal and I read in class 10C, and my father name is Setwal and my mother name is Kavita Setwal, and my father is a businessman. I am 16-year-old and I have one brother, and my brother name is Ishu.
Good. And what is your bitter memory?
In one day in the school, and my teacher and give a homework.
Introduction, please.
Myself, Lincy Gautam. My father name is Gautam. My mother name is Deepa Gautam. I have one brother, 3 sisters. I live in Ghaziabad. I study 8th class. I am 13-year-old. My favorite.
Myself, Shalu. I'm 17 years old. I live in Ghaziabad. My hobbies are singing, dancing, and traveling. I also like playing outdoor games. And there are 7 members in my family. We have 4 sisters and we have only one brother. That's it.
Good. So Shalu, what is your bitter memory?
My bitter memory is when I was in Karnataka and without my mother. So that was my bitter memory because I love my mother much. So it was very bitter memory.
Okay. Thank you so much.
My name is Ishu Setwal. My father name is Arvind Setwal. My mother name is Mrs. Kavita Setwal. My study class 8.